Nigga, when I'm mad, you can't calm me down, nigga. I'm ready to stress some, take some off the mountain, or get some gone.
Ayy, these niggas talking tough up on the net. DJ, you a bitch.
And Lil Macho ain't gon' do no shit.
I cracked the 5 all in y'all face. Ayy, y'all sat there and stared at it. I'm a murderer. I'm ready to go slide and catch a shirt and put him in a hearse. Ayy, I asked a little bitch cause she ride the dick and put it in reverse.
My mama always told me, if you scared, little boy, go to church.
But I don't go to church cause I ain't scared. And I ain't playing with no nigga. Put his ass up in the split. I smoking niggas, I don't care. If you tall, I take you down. Ayy, that's the ops, bitch. I slide in her DMs and knock her down.
Niggas don't wanna see me and Big Bro slide up through y'all town.
You say I'm mad, well bitch gon' calm me down. Get your little bitch to take you down. Bitch, when I'm talking, you better sit back and listen. Brand new chopper, work a nigga down. We put him in the kitchen. Ayy, I beat the brick, then I beat the bitch, cause I'm Lil Breezy, bitch.
Ayy, we caught a little op nigga walking, decked him in this shit.
Ayy, go ask Lil Mo about that. We slimed him out, he can't say shit. Bitches didn't want me when I was up on my dick. I start this rapping shit,
and now we got the whole gang lit.
We slide through your block, best believe we knocking off that bitch. It's one up in the head when I walk around, so bitch don't try me. Ayy, that white stripe book bag, yeah, it's tucked up with some heat. We got extra clips, and we got them switchers on them bitches. Lil' bruh say he just wanna pole. I'm dropping bodies with them bitches.
Gang, nigga, I'm tired of all this shit. Niggas be bitches. Niggas not showing them. Like, bitch, show the real you. Cause them niggas ain't even gon' do shit.
Ayy, you can ask Big Bro, he can merch on it.
Fuck.